Let's get into unboxing this unit. This is from Celie Hair, and this is how it came packaged. And also, this is how the wig came packaged. So they give you the little satin bag to store your unit in, and a ton of goodies. And there's more. Okay. Oh, these lashes is cute. Look. I don't know if you can see, but those lashes are cute. I will actually be wearing these. I love that the edge brush is purple. It's the details for me and the packaging on the lashes. They have all their branding details of places you can follow them on. Ooh. So this is the wig. Oh my gosh. I already know I'm about to love this. Look at these curls. Look at these curls. I have to do an out the package install because look at these curls. They're giving. Some things to highlight about this wig, of course, is pre-plucked, as you guys can see. It does come with bleach knots. There's really no lace to cut unless you feel the need to. We'll see about that right now. If I want to cut the lace, I have a 6x5 lace closure. This is how it looks. Look at them bleach knots. They did their big one on that one. So let's try her on. Oh, and I don't know if I said it already, but this is 24 inches. Ooh, this lace. I don't even know if I'm going to really have to add any foundation or powder to the lace. Okay. Okay, let me zoom out. Oh yeah, this is definitely beginner friendly and lazy girl friendly. I'm gonna zoom back in on his hairline though. Child, I probably will trim off a little bit of lace, but I really don't have to. Y'all know I'm 5'2". This is how long the 24 inches is coming on me. And this is all the hair to the back. Yeah, I'm excited. All right, let's style her up. I'm just trying to check you out. The way that this wig is fitting, I promise you don't need any adhesive. Someone wrote, "Get her pregnant tonight," and Nelly responded, "It is, child, it is not moving." This is one of the best glueless closure wigs that I have encountered thus far. I'm just gonna finger comb it out first to see how these curls look. Relax. Ooh, this is so pretty. Yeah. When I asked for a body wave wig, this is what I'm talking about. I think I'm going to get a wax stick and flatten this a little bit more. Oh, should I put layers in there? I want to do something extra to her, but then again, I kind of want to leave her as is. To help melt this lace, I'm going to just go ahead and add a little bit of mousse. I'm using my Aussie Instant Freeze. I like this for glueless wig applications. You know what? I think I'm gonna add one on the edges. And there you have it. This is the finished product. I did add layers in the front. I don't know if you can really tell right now, but I did, and I love the way that framed my face. You guys will have to let me know how you feel about this unit. If you are looking for a wig that comes pre-styled for you and you can just basically put it on and go, then Celie Hair has you. I will have all their information linked down in my description box and a direct link to this wig. Get into those 24 inches, yes. Y'all chime in down in the comment section and let me know how you feel about this unit. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.